Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Nickolas, and he is 10 years old. He is an identical twin with his brother Romello that we did some earlier videos on. He was born 3 pounds, 14 ounces, and 33 weeks gestational age. He's had trouble with his heart, with his status post-ventricular septal defect repair, and he has trouble with pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. In school, he's had some trouble with learning, has a learning disability, and ADHD. Today, we're working on balance. So in the last video, we worked on balance with his foot held up in the front. This time, we're going to do balance with your foot held up in the back. So why don't you turn around away from me? I'm going to hold his foot up in the back. Ready? 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! Come on back. We'll try it again. All right, I'm going to give a little bit more support. You ready? This time I'm going to hold the knee and the foot. Ready? 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's how I give a little bit more support. If I'm holding all the way out distal on his foot, he's having a hard time, then I'll just give a little bit more support. So I held the foot and the knee. It's a great way to work on balance. Again, it doesn't take any equipment, and it's easy and fun. Hope this is helpful for you. You did a great job. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.